Well, it's just about 4:30 Central Time. And it's getting a little bit windier out here. The heavier stuff isn't supposed to come in till a little bit later tonight. They're saying we're supposed to get some thunder snow at that time. Right now it is getting windier. We got about, 3 inches of snow on the ground. I am keeping up with the shovel in here. Well, let's go out here and see if we can look at the road. My poor car over here. You can see it's really blowing and drifting. And the road's still not that bad. They're keeping it up. Like I said, they're saying that the worst of the stuff is supposed to come in later tonight with the thunder snow. So we'll see if that materializes. Okay guys, we got a traffic backup. Alright, we'll talk to you later.